All right, today is day 4 of observing our plants. We have our data for the last 3 days. And now let's go start by exploring our blueberry plant. All right, Josiah is going to see how tall it is.
I'm counting blueberries.
We're not counting blueberry leaves. It's way too many.
Okay, then I'll carry it.
So, got this much more than 12 inches, which is an inch and a half, so 13 and a half inches.
That's a lot of leaves.
Does it look like any extra leaves have bloomed?
Yes. Over
They've gotten
here.
bigger.
They've gotten bigger, yeah.
Oh, our leaf with the hole is still there, but it's still alive. Well, that's a plus. So we're going to come over to our raspberry plant.
My dudes are looking nice.
Does it look any different? What color are you observing?
Oh, green. Okay, so
Green
and
leaves.
you see these? This is like yellow and orange. It's
Okay.
fading into a yellow and orange.
Are they skinny or wide leaves?
They're wide leaves. I mean, they're skinny,
one.
but they're wide. Oh. It's looking out.
All right, Josiah, how about you start counting some leaves? How about we write some description over here of this one?
It's red, yellow, green.
Okay.
Oh, and some pink.
I don't know about pink.
Maybe like a little bit of orange. Like, look at this, like kind of orangish.
What was our measurement of the blueberry bush yesterday?
13. Wait, no. Bring it back.
Oh, so we had 14 inches. Oh, so there's some error in measurement a bit.
What was our last one?
I don't think it shrunk. It looks the same. How many leaves did you get, Josiah?
Wait. Day 3 had 38 leaves. Wait. Okay. Yeah, I found 40.
You found 40 leaves?
40 exact.
Oh, okay.
So we got 2 more leaves.
So maybe 2 more, or maybe there's an error in counting, because that always happens.
No, it's just super small.
So the soil, it still looks a little damp. What do you think?
Oh, yeah, that's wet.
So do we need to
No, don't
water that?
Don't
What about
water
this
one.
one? Well, we got to dig a little deeper. Yeah, this one does seem a little wet, so we won't need to water those 2. Now we come over here to our grape tomato. And unfortunately, I don't think our grape tomatoes are going to be saved.
Yeah, they're like dug into me.
It's very interesting. The leaves are buried in soil, though.
How'd that even? Maybe from you putting.
But it's interesting that they're still green, even though it's wilted. So maybe we'll leave it be, because it does look pretty wet in there still. See what happens. The leaves are still green, although the stem is pretty brown. And we can't really count leaves. We could measure how tall it is a little bit.
But we're gonna have to like hold it up.
You're on the centimeter side. Nope, you don't hold it up.
No? Okay.
Yeah. So that looks like it is an inch.
That's
An
sad.
inch tall. Oh, I think we forgot to measure our raspberry plant.
Yep.
Oh, we better measure that.
Oh, yeah, we did. Well, I can't even go up this hill.
All right. So to the tallest one. It's getting us about 3.5. A little bit over 3.5. Okay, so now that we have observed for 4 days,
Wow.
what changes do you notice from those 4 days?
That one is dead.
What is that one?
The grape tomatoes are dead.
Maybe. We may save them. You never know. What else do we observe? Asha.
That has grown a little bit. And that's the same.
Oh, okay. So it's grown a tiny bit in the raspberries. So we'll keep watering, but we won't observe again until Monday, which is an extra 2 days. So do you think anything's going to change in that time?
Yeah.
What do you think's going to change?
The leaves are gonna get. There's gonna be more leaves. This might live because I think we gave it too much water.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure because that's what happened the last time. And could we do a documentary of this?
All right, so that's day 4 of planting observations. Blueberry, raspberry, and a shriveled grape tomato plant.